met you at the blood bank. We were looking at the bags, wondering if any other colors matched any other names we knew you wanted to say. You said, see, look at that's yours, stacked on top with your brothers. See how they resemble one another, even in the plastic little covers. And I said, knew well that secret that you know, but you don't know how to tell. It fucks with your honor and it teases your head, and you know that it's good, girl, 'cause it's running you with red.